Hey, hello, good morning, guys, and this is Coding with Gautam. And guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do the level Green Minefield. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in this level, we're going to learn about nested for loops, if statements, accessing properties, strings, variables, and while loops. So let us play. So in this level, you'll need glasses, and I will just equip my best pair of glasses. You'll need the programmation icon 4, and you'll not need like fancy armor, but I would prefer like 2000 to 3000 health would be just fine. And you don't need a sword, you need a hammer because we're gonna build fire traps, so don't forget to have that hammer with you. So after we had our equipment check, let's get started. Okay, so let us read the description of a level for the better understanding. An ogre formation is marching towards the village. We must prepare the meeting for our guests. We will use their strict formation against them. If we place mines between ogres' lines and blow them all at once, the ogres will go flying. Use nested for loops to grip the minefield, but use increments higher than 1 and use those as the coordinates to place mines. These mines won't explode unless a human steps on them, so don't be afraid to take a step. So let us look at what we're gonna do. So first we have this 4x in range of 12. So it takes the 12, then 12 plus 8 multiplied by 6, which is 48 plus 12, which is 60, then 8. And next time they do the same thing for 7. So it iterates from 12 to 68. So it iterates from 12 to 60 and 12 to 68. So that will create like a minefield, but then it keeps a distance between them. So we have to build a fire trap over there. So I will just type the build command. So we have to build a fire trap at x and y given in the for loops. So after we do that, this guy will go build lots of things. He'll build a lot of fire traps, keeping 8 distance between them. And then the wizard gave you this fast boot spell, which could like help you go really fast and finish all the so next then these guys just come in, and next then when the distance is less than 20, so we have to type a distance command. So let us do that. Distance equals hero dot distance to enemy. And we still did not define enemy. So I'll just move my camera over here for a better look. And then we check for the distance. So they asked us to check for 20. Hero should blow the mines. So I'll just move to the nearest mine. Where is the nearest mine? 52 to 60. So let us run it. So he keeps going on building. And it can just place fast. Code never finish. So it says that the code is never finished. So I'll just get an else loop in just to cut off the infinite loop. Hero just says something like I am cool. So we run. And now now his things got slowed. So I have like this wait duration thing, so it waits like, so I'll ask him to wait like for 0.5 seconds. I'll just take off these loops so we don't get an infinite loop. Oh, the indentation. So after we solve that indentation error, we just wait for that. And then he's still waiting for the wizard. Why did it stop? Okay, not 0.5 seconds, but maybe 3 seconds would do. So I forgot to mention this, you will need this type of watch. I don't know the name of the watch, but it has a golden wristband and a blue thing in the middle. He waits for 3 seconds and he blasts it. So 3 seconds is still not enough. A wave of ogres keeps getting there, so I think we should wait for about 5 seconds. So he just finishes up keeping up all the mines. And then when finally he finishes up keeping the mine, he waits for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just enough to get the whole thing out. And it's a success. So I'm just gonna explain about the for loops a bit and then we'll end this video. So this range function, it can like get all the numbers in between. So if you want to move like to the x core of 1 to 10, like you want to move to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you just keep in the range command, move 1 to 10, and then he'll move he'll move to 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. X will just go in a line like this. Then after that, you could just like use 3 values, and I don't know what that does, but it will take, oh yeah, now I understood. It'll take this first thing, 12, from 8 multiplied by 756 plus 12, 68. I don't know why they did it like that, but it's their wish. So first it will take 12 to 68 in the middle, but the third one tells how much. So 8 distance. So it's hard to explain. So if you want the, okay, wait. So it'll take the first and second units you give, like 12 and this math equation over here. It'll take all the numbers in between those, and it'll like give an 8 space gap in between each of them. So if you have 1, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on. So with a step of 8. And then you just build a fire trap using the x and y coordinates you got. Then you move over here after you're done building so you don't get blasted away. Then you find the enemy, check the distance, but I think we don't need this. But you will need a watch which will wait. It'll wait for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He'll move to the nearest mine, blast, all ogres dead, we win. And he'll only lose like 200 health, 300 health. So yep, let's look at the submits. So he keeps going. And I'll just move my cam back into place. So you see that he is giving an 8 distance over here. So 20, 36, 44. You subtract, you get 8. So it'll give an 8 distance, and using the 2 for loops, it'll get like a minefield with 8 in the distance. So yep, you see this boot sign? You may be wondering what is that? That is this wizard spell which helps him go fast. And next, then at the last part, he'll just leave us without the boot spell, saying that he's tired. So I think I'll say it right here at the end of this mine. Phew, I'm tired, good luck. He just says that, and we're going slower, but at least we're constructing the last part of the mine. If we were constructing the first without that spell, we would be right here and the ogres would just start coming in. So next then he goes there, he moves over here, he waits for 5 seconds, lets all the ogres come in, boom, he blasts. The last batch of ogres coming, but they all die, they just go flying, and we're done. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in my next videos. So this is Coding with Gautam, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.